got on at Harbour front, so just exited from that place. So now I have to go to Sentosa. So I have to go to Viva City. From level 3, I have to take Sentosa Express. It's a monorail. So see how beautiful our MRT stations, our metro stations here. So we get everything here. So toilets, food, McDonald's, Burger King, lunch, dinner. So everything we can get here. So entire Singapore city is like this. So all malls, food stalls. So we are in one of the MRT station, Harbour front. So we can see all food stalls. KFC, Burger King, McDonald's, everything. So we don't need to go anywhere. We can get everything here. See the restaurants. So all these restaurants will become very busy during lunchtime. KFC. So you have to take this escalator, go to level 3. You can see L3, level Sentosa Express is the main monorail. So it is clearly written. Still, people confuse because we don't know how to follow directions, right? That is the problem. Sentosa Express level 3. So it is clearly written everywhere. See again here they have written here. L2 is cinema, L1 is department store. See all again multinational shops, MNCs like Chanel, Prada, Polo, Ralph Lauren, H&M, Dyson, UK brand. I think Ralph Lauren is a Canadian brand. So all multinational brands in the shopping mall. Finally level 3. Going to level 3. You can buy tickets here, Sentosa, for all the attractions. So cable car is $6 and underwater sea aquarium is $44. So it is 44 plus $60. So if you take the cable car, it is expensive. It is $70, including the admission ticket. So now they are not issuing tickets for the sea aquarium. They have exhausted. So I have to go and buy Sentosa Island. So just now two monorails went because I was uploading the video in YouTube. So this is the ticket. So for Sentosa, to go to Sentosa by monorail. So after going there, I have to buy another ticket. So I have to wait for the train, Sentosa Express, monorail is every 4 minutes is a train, so no need to worry. So just now, red train, then green train went. So now it is yellow train is coming, yellow car, monorail. So this is the train, so which I have to get now to go to Sentosa Island for sea aquarium. So passengers will not depart from that side and alight from this side. So it is very efficient way of handling people. So you can see. So this is the beach station, India station, Resorts World station, Vivocity station. So we are at Vivocity station, close to Harbourfront MRT. So we have to go to Resorts World Sentosa. Automated, no driver. Oh, driver is there. So yeah, but he just assist this train. So it is fully automated. The inside of the train, the train. This is the harbour. Singapore harbour is the world's busiest, one of the busiest harbours. I think it's world's second or third after Chinese harbour.
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa will complement the island's exhilarating mix
So I have to
of
get down
world-class
here to
entertainment,
go to Sea
hotels,
Aquarium.
and attractions such as Universal Studios Singapore.
Yeah. So my stop is next, which is Sea Aquarium. So this is I think Universal Studios.
Resorts World
So I am
Station.
not doing that today.
I'd like
I have already
for
done in
Resorts World Sentosa.
years. I have to buy tickets here. You can see Sea Aquarium straight, Universal Studios right. So I have to go straight. I don't know with the ticket, monorail ticket counters. They have all sold out. So now I have to go to aquarium center only and then I have to buy tickets. So I can see clearly marked. So right, left side is aquarium. I have wasted like 5 minutes there. Someone was talking to their customer in the ticketing office. This when I have visited first time in the year 1998, I think. So the Sentosa Island was here. So it is a old development. It is a old attraction in Singapore. So this is Universal Studios. So they are everywhere. They are in Japan, in the US, I think Paris. So they are all over the world. This is the ticketing place. So where I can buy tickets.
What's up, guys? What a small world. I guess not, but yeah. How's it going? Good, good. What you guys doing?
So I bought one orange cup for $3. So I have put $2 each, two $2. So and I have got $1 change. So now she is buying with her card. So we can buy with a card. We can buy with the cash, coins. So now we can see fresh oranges are there. So now the cup will come in this one, and whenever that cup is full, so that door will open up, and we can take the cup. See, we can see the process inside. So already oranges are crushed and juice is there. It is extracting juice. See how cup has come to the bottom. So this machine is from Australia. So there is no added sugar. It's entirely pure oranges. I think 4 oranges, 1 cup. So yeah, now you can take it from just up. Yeah. This is the entrance to Sea Aquarium. Now these sea aquariums are everywhere. So they're all over the world, in Bangkok, in Chicago, in India, so Singapore, in US, everywhere.